So today in our Make Money Online 2022 series, we're going to look at TopCashback, which, if you haven't heard of it, TopCashback is a way of getting cash back on your normal spending, and it is a way where the most committed people can earn hundreds, if not thousands of pounds per year just on everyday spending, depending on how much you usually spend at certain retailers. So easily enough, for Top Cashback, all you need is an email address and a password to sign up. So email, password, that meets the requirements, and then you can join for free. I have put a link in the description which will take you straight there so that you can sign in. You won't be able to see much without signing in, but you can see that it has got amazing reviews and over 20 million members now, and it is really simple. Essentially, rather than just visiting the sites directly, the retailers, you check for them on here and you click through a special link which will take you straight there. Carry out your shopping like normally. It adds up, so at the moment they say members earn on average £345 cash back a year, which I can say is easily achievable, and then you can pay out how you want. There are so many different payout options with Top Cashback, including cash directly into your account, or you can get bonuses by getting gift cards with certain retailers. We've got the frequently asked questions, and there are literally thousands of brands here, both online and in store, so it is well worth joining Top Cashback. If we jump now into Top Cashback, as you can see here, as a little look, over the time, the total that I'm now up to on this is nearly £1,000, £926.50, and sometimes I do forget to use it, so it is always worth, before you purchase anything, checking, seeing if the retailer's on here, because there are an awful lot. If I go to the home page once you've logged in, there are different categories on the top, as well as the top offers. So at the moment you can get 18% cash back on Holland & Barrett, £1,000 cash back on life insurance. Now, there are so many deals on here. There's an AO deal currently at the moment, and if you just click on one of these, it will take you through and it will show you the types of offers that are on there. So at the moment we can see 7.5% on large kitchen appliances for 24 hours only, which is like one of the flash deals. If we go back to the main page and we have a look, for example, on electricals, laptops, PCs and Macs, if we're thinking about buying that, you can see the top deals at the top of the page. So we've got 6% with Lenovo, 10% with Acer at the moment, and you do just get that cashback back on your normal spending. So it's really important to emphasise there are no extra purchases to make here. As soon as you're thinking of making a purchase, check this out. So if we look at eBay, many people are buying lots of things off eBay. It says 1.1% cash back at the moment. If I click on to the retailer, we can have a look in more detail what we have to do to qualify for the offers. So at the moment, if we have a look, eBay currently offers 1.1% cash back on an online purchase, up to £50 maximum cash back per transaction. So that doesn't mean that it's only £50 that you can spend per transaction. It means the maximum amount of cash back, so 1.1%, is going to be paid up to £50. If it is more than that, you will just get the maximum rate. There is also some special deals and vouchers here which we can use. So when you click to reveal a code, it gives you special codes to use at checkout, and there is always terms and conditions. Most of these are extremely similar, but it is always worth reading through to make sure that you know the terms of the deal so you can stick to it. So at the moment, we can see that 100% of people, who comprise 31 million completed transactions, are satisfied with their transaction on Top Cashback. So it is absolutely amazing. The purchases usually track very quickly. There's a high success rate. If there is ever any problems, you can open up a claim, and these are usually resolved in your favour if you've followed all the conditions. Sometimes you just have to provide extra information, such as your order details from the website. But the eBay, that one there, we can see is really easy to qualify. If we go and we're not sure which category to look into, and we've already decided the retailer we're buying from, which is how I'd recommend approaching it. If, for example, you'd seen something on booking.com and you thought, That's the website I'm using. I want to see if I can get any deals though. If we just start typing the retailer in here, booking.com, and then press the search button, we can see it will come up with the retailers that we've got here. So we've got 2 results for booking.com. It says at the moment for booking.com on the main website we can get 4% cashback. If we click on there and we go through, we can see all bookings. There's an exclusive offer, so that means it's only going to be on TopCashback. We can get 4% cashback on our spending. So if we spend £100, we're going to get £4 back into our TopCashback account. Again, there's some details here. So it's only available on accommodation. It's not available on flights. And what is quite standard on them all is using another voucher that hasn't come from TopCashback will usually invalidate your claim. But as you can see, it is really easy to use. Once you've found the website or the deal that you want for, you simply have to click the Get Cashback Now button, which will open up a new page. It will say it's redirecting. We can see it takes on average 1 day for it to appear in your TopCashback account, so don't worry if it doesn't appear straight away. And as you can see here, booking.com have a special page that's in partnership with TopCashback, and now you can either sign in or register a new account and simply book as you would normally do. The main recommendations are to make sure that you complete the transaction completely online. So sometimes it's invalidated if you ring up a call center, for example, to finish off the transaction, and try to finish it in one session. If you do have to return at another time, make sure you click back through the TopCashback link. And when you go back to the TopCashback website after you've finished purchasing your offer, it does remind you that they've recorded your visit and that on average your cashback will show in 1 day in this case, but you should allow 60 days after your stay for your cashback to become payable. So it will register on here, but it may take a little bit longer to become payable, particularly with something like hotels. Normally if it's a retailer, it will become payable after the transaction's complete and any return period, usually 28 days, has lapsed. So it does sit there in your account for you. As you can see, I've been using this for a little while. Currently got £209.30 in there. £717 has already been paid out, and in total made £926.50 off TopCashback. So it is a fantastic way of earning a bit of extra money on the side on top of your usual spending. It doesn't mean that you can't use things like cashback credit cards when you're making your purchase, so you can double up on those things. One of the things to highlight to new members is if you aren't currently spending at the moment because money's a bit tight, if you go onto the More section at the very end, there is a free cashback section which you can click on. And if we go down there now, there are many different offers which get you cashback into your account for completing tasks, but without having to spend any money. So for example, with Experian, if you're not already registered, if you click on there, again, it's another exclusive offer, so you will only find this on TopCashback. It says a new customer account, get your free Experian credit score. So this isn't the paid service, this is the free one. And if you sign up for that, it's an exclusive offer, you will get £6 paid into your account as long as you are a new Experian customer. Same process as with any purchase. If you click Get Cashback Now, it will forward you on to the Experian website. It will leave a cookie, so make sure that cookies are enabled. And then you would just have to sign up using the usual process because you're on the website. Sign up, complete all your details, and you will end up with £6 in your TopCashback account. Again, it reminds you that it has recorded a visit. If you do want to see a retailer's current record for paying out an experience, you can click on the reviews that are at the right hand side in navigation, and that will take you to reviews that are specifically in TopCashback. And you can see here that there are many 5-star reviews recently. Cashback received within 48 hours, paid promptly, quickest cashback ever, fast payout. So it's clear that this retailer has a good record of paying out on this free offer. So simply for signing up as a new customer, you get £6 straight into your account. overall, over time, Top Cashback really does build up. There are some fantastic offers here, particularly on big ticket items. If we look, for example, at insurance, which many people often find costly. For example, here, travel insurance, 25% cashback currently with Virgin Money. Top Cashback Compare is a new comparison site which Top Cashback have launched. But if you follow a link through that through any of the 75 different insurance companies they have through Top Cashback themselves will pay you £42.80 back on that policy. That is regardless of how much you spend. So if your policy costs £100, you will still get £42.80 back from that. And as you can see, there are some offers for using other cashback sites as well. Some are percentage offers, so you get a percentage of your purchase price. Some are flat cash offers. The flat cash offers can be amazing. So on AA Breakdown, for example, at the moment, up to £160 cashback. And if we scroll down there, policies over £241 or £160 cashback. So if you got one for £242, then effectively the policy is only costing you £82. So the same as one of the lower tier ones. So it is really worth checking out whether the retailer is on here before you make a purchase, because it is possible to make hundreds, if not thousands of pounds a year just on your everyday spending. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Click like if that has helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more money saving videos.